If you clicked on this video, you know exactly what it's all about. I was actually not planning on doing this video today, but we have like 4 days worth of laundry that has just piled up on us. We had a full busy weekend. We are going to be doing some laundry today, and I need all the motivation I can get. And hi, if you're new here, my name is Sarah, and I am just a regular, ordinary mom. I've got 2 littles of my own. I've got a almost 3-year-old and a 5-month-old and 2 older bonus girls. And life is nuts. Life's crazy, y'all. Let me show you what we got. So like I said, I was not planning on doing this video today, but then I turned the corner this morning and bam, bam, laundry.
Bam, laundry!
Going everywhere. We've got 1, 2, 3. There's actually some in the dryer. 4 loads that need to be folded. These are all clean, y'all. These are all clean. But wait, there's more. I've got a clean load here in the washer that needs to be rewashed because I'm not sure how long it's been in there. So we're going to rewash that. And we've got 4 loads that need to be folded. And we've got this stuff on the floor here that is dirty that needs to be washed. So that's what's going on today. Right, Reese? Yep. I don't know about y'all, but I need it big time. I need some motivation to get through these however many loads that we have. All right, y'all, we are gonna go ahead and start with rewashing this load that has been sitting in the washing machine. I'm showing you that we use the free and clear detergent. Sadly, we are just too sensitive in this household and we can't use all those fabulous, yummy, fantastic, amazing smells and fragrance in our detergent, but the free and clear of any brand works just as fine. And we're going to go ahead and take this first load into the living room here and get started. I have to fold my laundry, or at least my favorite new place has been doing it in the living room, so that way I can fold the laundry while I watch the kiddos. And I have to do it standing up. I can't do it sitting down anymore because my back just tenses up if I do it while I'm sitting on the floor or on the bed. So I have to either stand up and have the laundry on the bed or stand up behind the couch and do it on the couch. And that's been working out just fine. And honestly, I'm not sure how chatty this video is going to be. I might chime in every now and again and just share fun facts or just whatever I'm thinking or whatever. So if you are needing some motivation today, I hope that you are folding along with me. Oh, and look, we got the first basket done. Woohoo! So just play this video along and we will fold together. If not, just watch me fold laundry. I know, that's so exciting, right? Laundry is the one thing that will always be there for you in life, no matter what. Oh, and look, and I found a DVD in the second basket here. That is the joys of having children. You will always find random things in random places. So Reese's favorite spot to hide things is in the back of the couch. I have learned over time that if I'm missing something or if some of her toys are missing, just the #1 place to go look is behind any and all of the couch cushions. I will find anything and everything back in there. So just little things you pick up on your kids, you know, as you're learning and growing and changing as they are. And speaking of, she is just doing so well adjusting to being a big sister and having a little brother in our lives now. I'm so proud of her. She's just doing so well. And I know it's been a huge adjustment, you know, just from being the only child, but she's not really the only child. We do have 2 older bonus girls, but there's like a 10-year gap, so they are about 10 years older than her, and we only see them every other weekend. Unfortunately, we wish we could have more time with them, but we're just thankful and grateful for all the time that we get to spend with them. And so I'm glad that she has her little brother, you know, so they'll have each other growing up and they're a little bit closer in age over the years, so that'll be fun. Hopefully they'll be best friends. I know they'll have their moments, but that's just part of being a sibling. So anyways, we are wrapping up this larger load here, and I think I'm just going to take a little break and just let y'all enjoy some of the music, and I will I will, oh look, second basket done. I will chime back in here shortly.
I tend to give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic.
So I've got a load washing, I've got a load drying, and then I have one last load of some darts that'll need to be washed later on. We're gonna go ahead and fold this last basket here. Let's get this party started.
Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, had the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Your empty words left me distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine. I'll be alright, with or without you. Don't waste my time. Feeding me lies, I know you're about to. I don't need to wait no more. I don't even miss you. I'm already out the door. No, it's
We did it!
I did it! Right!
So laundry is officially at a good stopping point, or at least we got most of it knocked out, and I was able to get all the laundry put away. So thank you for hanging out with us today and catching up on some laundry. I hope that you got some laundry motivation for yourself, because boy, I needed it. We were way behind on our laundry, so it felt good to get it all folded. So that is it for today. So if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment and say hello. And until next time, we will see y'all in the next video. Say bye.